can be robots and it's so nice. As you can see, I want to do a chair. No Cosmo, who's actually our friend, and my subscriber. She support me away. Now I gave her challenge to me. But yes, she gave to be an Indian for 24 hours. How I will be, because I'm not an Indian. I'm South Korean who learned English through childhood. Never mind. My voice is little cute because as I got a cough, and when I got a cough, I just be like a kid. My voice become so loud. Oh my god! I didn't even change my voice. This is my ugly. I'm not saying the ugly. I'm not saying the ugly. Please do not. This is my little cutie. Yes, I don't say ugly to any country. I don't know who come from who country. How do I know? I'm gonna explore something. Never mind. What a bitch. If you're a kid, please. You can watch this video. Just let me explore your house. This is not my first time. Okay. Then first. Oh my goodness. What the fuck? Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Full not full. And then here is the sofa. And here is the kitchen. That not a swimming pool. This is the dining room. This is the fountain. That I not doing. So let's go up and see what I am doing. Actually, who is my friend? Was my BF ago, but fake BF. This is a room with my favorite color. One of my favorite color. I didn't announce my bestie because I can't find, but I made the bestie. Never mind, guys. It's bad for me. Something fun. This room. Here is bathroom, not bathroom. And as I wanna say, I learned something in India. Namaste. This is very nice. This is a piano, bro. I didn't make even nice outfit. This is the bathroom. Wow, why is this like this type? I don't know what this is. And what is this? This is some type of computer with a balcony. And here is the movie theater. Right, nice. I'm not exploring first time. This is my second time exploring like this house because my friend is my best friend type this one. This is what this row comes. This what view comes. And this is my swimming pool. Hot. Footbath. Footbath. Not footbath. Yeah. Let's take a selfie. But yeah, I cheated on her. On him. He cheated on me. But I also cheated. Not in real, bro. So, first Indian is dal curry. And now my challenge start. Yeah, my challenge. Who is this Abhi? You. I don't like her. Here is the rice that I know Indian people eat the most. And this is the chicken. Hey, Rosie. I'm Rosie. Rosie. Rosa. I don't know what I am. First, let me. First, page Rosa. Guys, this is the random people coming in my house.
You are Indian also. You are messy.
So guys, welcome again.
Like this and this
Welcome
also
again.
no. Over. Then they like necessary. They didn't wait and they were bored. They were cold.
You can see her, my friend. Yeah, you can see. Can you see?
Silver. Johnny.
Oh,
And
sorry.
with this, these earrings.
See what she's saying.
And this.
This the pretty
Oh my
girl.
God! Indian. Matarani.
Oh.
Matarani. No.